Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a stunning 1970 Plymouth. This is a true AAR Cuda. Gorgeous car, guys. It just went through just a couple of years ago a complete body up restoration. Has beautiful show quality FE5 Rallye red on it, black vinyl interior. It's got all the correct AAR striping, front and rear spoilers. The car has the matching numbers, 340 cubic inch engine. This car actually originally was an automatic. It has been converted to the pistol grip 4-speed. And gorgeous car, guys. Runs and drives excellent. Again, beautiful paint. Very nicely restored car, guys. BF Goodrich Radial TA is all the way around it with the 15-inch Rallies. Again, converted from an automatic to a 4-speed, but it does have the matching numbers engine. Great car. Very hard for me to get my hands on these cars. I think I had one all of last year. I don't know if I had one the year before, but great car. Somebody's using their brakes. You can see it's got the fog lights on it. Chrome and stainless is very nice. It's got the fiberglass hood. Pretty car. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. I think it's got 1,000 miles, if I remember right, on the car since it was done. It's just a little dust there, guys. Unfortunately, I'm rushing these guys today, guys. We're trying to knock some stuff out. I've been traveling a lot, and unfortunately, we got weather coming again today. We can't get out of that cycle of the weather. Car sits good, nice and straight down the sides. Original North Carolina body. Yeah, if you see that, it's just something on there, guys. Well, that's a good looking car. And again, tough to get your hands on these things. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I'll do my best to try to get it advertised. If you see a car on the site with just 1 or 2 pictures, if you pick up the phone and give Leroy or Jay a call, they'll snap you some more photos, try to get you as much information as you can. I just like to advertise the cars myself. Again, this is a matching numbers, 340 cubic inch engine, 6-pack, stock exhaust manifolds. It's got Holly carbs with the Edelbrock intake. Sorry, Jay's giving me info as I'm rolling through here. Power steering. It's got power front disc brakes. 4-speed pistol grip. Manual transmission. It's got electronic ignition. That is an aftermarket hood, guys. There's your fender tags. Pretty car. Original VIN is on the core support there, or not core support, on the firewall. It's got the dual sport mirrors. Here's your body tag. bucket seats, console, pistol grip shifter. Seats are all real nice. A little crack there in the steering wheel. A couple of them actually. Factory Rallye dash. 60,775. That is they're supposed to be the original miles, but actually it's got just over 1,000 miles he said on the car since it was redone. All new clutch, pressure plate. There's actually receipts for some of that stuff in the trunk here. Dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 373 sure grip rear end in the back. It's got the factory jack with the space saver spare and canister. There's your owner's manual. Again, there's some receipts here for the restoration. Fill this up without yanking all. You see it's all body color in here like it's supposed to be. In fact, that might be your original paint there. Really nicely done car. Got it up in the air, got you some good photos from underside. Really nice car, guys. And again, tough to get your hands on these cars. Super cool in the Rallye red. Great car. Great investment type piece right here. See, the dash is nice. Gauges look good. Factory AM/FM radio. Pretty much stock, guys, just a standard rebuild, nothing crazy. Pump gas engine. See if I can do this all one-handed. Sorry guys, bear with me. Got it. Again, front and rear spoilers, got the fog lights. Parking brake does work, doesn't it, Jay? Yep. Tach works. That's your parking brake light on there. It's at when the parking brake's set. Blah blah blah. Sorry, spit that out. Looks like all your gauges are working. Not real sure what we got going on back here. I can't see up there. There we have reverse lights. We'll have to check it. I know that stuff works. I don't know if you got brake lights or anything back there. And what it is. Your little reverse light in the dash works. AM/FM. It's definitely powered up. Just got to get a station. It's trying. It's definitely working. Yep, there you go. Blower motor. Yeah, blower motor works, guys. Wipers are on. They do come on. They're stuck on the little hood there. We'll check that. Oh, we have to check the blinkers. Is it blinking in there? Yeah, we'll have to check it. Okay, yeah, it's probably something in the flasher unit. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram page. Yeah, they're working. They're working. Shoot. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248 620-3355. It's probably in that flasher. We'll check it. Some backup lights are working. Have a great day, guys.